Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you US Mobile Multi-Network Honest Review. So, US Mobile's multi-network thing is basically their whole super carrier pitch. Now, instead of being locked to just one big network, you can use Warp, which is Verizon, so Lightspeed, T-Mobile, and Darkstar, AT&T, and either switch your main line between them or add backup networks on the same phone. So here's a simple way to picture how it actually works. So for teleport or network transfer, so basically it's moving your main line to another network. So US Mobile literally describes this as a teleport your line between our Darkstar Warp and Lightspeed networks whenever you want. So depending on your plan, US Mobile listed like $2 per network transfer, and some plans here basically advertise free transfers. It depends. So now for multi-network add-on, so it's like having extra networks available on the same phone for coverage backup. So US Mobile says multi-network add-on lets you use multiple networks, so you can always pick the one that works best where you are. Now in real world terms, this is how people explain it in their subreddit. So basically, it usually behaves like adding an extra line or eSIM that you can flip to when coverage is better in another network. Now, pricing wise, though, US Mobile's plan page shows that multi network add-on is at like $7 or $7.50 a month on annual plans. And basically on Reddit discussions around the beta launch talk about like $10 per month per add-on. So yeah. So now the honest review part here. So on Trustpilot here, people generally love the flexibility, but they also like complain that the multi-network stuff can get confusing or glitchy if you're not careful. And specifically here on Trustpilot, US Mobile looks really strong overall. It shows like trust score of like 4.5 or 4.7 as of right now, with around like 6,000 reviews. A lot of praise is about like support being fast and competent when something goes wrong, especially activation, APN help, easy moves, and network changes. Now, on Reddit here, you'll see both sides more clearly. So there are threads where people like the idea of redundancy, having Verizon plus AT&T and T-Mobile options on one phone, and talk about like picking whatever works best in their city. So, but you'll also see like posts like multi-network got weird or something like that. So, basically where someone tried removing the add-on then lost service, so no data calls or even text until support untangled it. And there are other subreddit discussions where people are basically clarifying teleporting is switching your main line to a different network, while multi-network add-on is for having that extra backup network ready to go. So you might be wondering, is it actually worth it? Well, if you're in an area where coverage is hit or miss and you like the idea of being able to jump between Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T without leaving the carrier, well, US Mobile's multi-network setup is generally a cool advantage here. Now, the only watch out is that this isn't magic roaming, so there's a little complexity. So teleports, transfers, add-ons, and even eSIM management. And the Reddit complaints show that when provisioning hiccups happen, you may need support to clean that up. And support can be spotty, whatever company, so it's unavoidable. So you may want to take that in consideration. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.